Welcome back to another YouTube video tutorial. In this video, I will be showing you how to draw a circle in AutoCAD. What if you are to draw this circle in AutoCAD? Right? You will need two things. You need a center and also the radius and or diameter for the circle. To draw a circle in AutoCAD, the first step is to activate the command. We can activate the command by clicking on the circle or type C enter. A command bar will then ask us to specify the center. Let me draw a line. C enter. Okay. So for example, we should draw a circle of diameter 20 at this end and a circle of diameter uh, 30 at the other end. First, we would type C for circle, enter. The command bar will then ask us to specify the center for the center point for the circle. I will then click here as my center. As I move out, the command will then ask me to specify a radius. So for example, I want a radius of 20. In this case, I would type 20, enter. The circle is now drawn at 20 millimeters. To check, left click here, check if it's 20, left click here, go down to radius, left click on the circumference, that is 20. Again, to draw another circle at the other end, I go up to C, up to circle, left click, I then specify the center, which is here, then type 30, 30 for the radius, enter. That is done. To check if it's correct, again, we go up here, click on the radius, then touch left click on circumference, then drag out. So this is correct. Now, to draw a circle using diameter, let us first draw a line here, a circle of diameter 50 and 70. We again type C for a circle, enter, then click the center. The command bar will now ask us to specify a radius of the circle or diameter. In this case, we can just press or left click onto D for diameter, then enter the radius. In this case, I want a radius of 50, a diameter of 50, type 50, enter. The circle is now drawn with diameter of 50 millimeters. So check to ensure that the circle is drawn of the with the specific diameter. I will then go up here and go down to diameter, left click, then come down to the circle, left click, and that's it, or diameter. And you will know that it's diameter based on the symbol. This is a symbol for diameter. To draw our second circle at this next end of the line, this one should be of diameter 70 millimeters. Again, we go up to circle, left click, or type C for circle. We then left click or start point or center. Again, we then type D for diameter or D, or click diameter. In this case, this is 70, type 70,